My name is Marcie Dalton. I'm 34. I work at Optimation Industrial Services, and I'm a welding apprentice there. So I worked at McDonald's for a really long time. And when I had my son in 2017, didn't really think about changing careers before then, just because it was so comfortable and safe and whatnot. And then I had him, and when I went back to work, I decided that it's not what I wanted to do anymore, and that I needed something better for his future, for my future, for the family. Figured out that welding would be cool to try, even though I had no idea what it was, and went to Arc and Flame and did the 20-week program. After that, I had a couple stepping stone jobs that weren't, a right fit for me, and then I got picked up by Optimation, and I've been there ever since. I have pretty much been a pipe welder since I started at Optimation. There has been other, jobs that aren't pipe involved. Some days I'm in a scissors lift up in the ceiling welding a joint. Some days I've been in a man lift welding patches on things and repairing them. It's been really cool, and I'll tell you what, the first time I got in a man lift, I was like, please don't go up any higher. And each time we got up a little bit higher, it's like, I can do this, and I'm kind of badass for doing it. So I've learned a lot since I started working at Optimation, carried over from a lot of great skills and techniques that I've learned here. So I really hope that, someday I have the opportunity to mentor somebody, and I hope that I can change someone's life, just like, these guys did here for me, and the guys that I work with now. It's not just teaching you how to weld. There was a lot of personal growth in the Arc and Flame program, and I remember as the entire class was sitting around at the end of the semester going through, what have you learned? What's the greatest skill that you've acquired here? It was mostly all personal growth stuff, just knowing that you can change what you've been doing, and it's better late than never, and just anyone can do it. You just have to apply yourself. So if you're looking for a fun career, a challenging career, and something that can absolutely change your life around, then this is the place to be, because I'm just an average person thinking that McDonald's is where I'm gonna be at, and it's fine, and I can totally make a future out of this. And then I came here, and it completely changed my life around, 100%.